Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel that helps you achieve financial freedom through smart money habits and investing. Whether you're running a side hustle, a growing online store, a consulting agency, or a full-scale business operation, today we're talking about something that can significantly boost your business cash flow, simplify expenses, and even earn you thousands of dollars in rewards. The best business credit cards for small businesses. If you've ever wondered which cards to use, how to maximize rewards, and how to strategically build business credit while earning perks, this video is for you. Let's dive in, step by step, with real-world insights and strategies that can save you money, earn you points, and strengthen your small business. Why every small business needs a business credit card. A business credit card isn't just a convenience. It's a strategic financial tool. Separation of business and personal expenses. Mixing business and personal spending is one of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make. A business credit card helps create a clean line between the two, making accounting, tax filing, and budgeting much easier. Building business credit. Business credit profiles, like those tracked by Dun & Bradstreet, can influence your loan approvals, vendor terms, and insurance premiums. Using a business card responsibly is one of the easiest ways to start building your business credit history. Cash flow flexibility. With a business credit card, you often get 20 to 30 days to pay for purchases, helping smooth out cash flow when invoices haven't cleared yet. Reward opportunities. Many business credit cards offer generous cashback, points, or travel perks. If you're putting thousands of dollars on your card every month, those rewards can add up to serious savings or free business travel. Criteria for evaluating business credit cards. Before choosing a card, you need to evaluate your business's needs. Spending patterns. Do you spend heavily on advertising? Travel? Office supplies? Software? Different cards reward different categories. Knowing where your money goes helps match you to the best card. Introductory bonuses. Some cards offer $500, $750, or even $1,000 in bonuses if you meet a certain spending threshold in the first few months. If you plan your spending right, this can be a fast win. Rewards structure. Look for flat rate rewards, e.g. 2% on everything, or tiered rewards, e.g. 4% on select categories. Some cards offer rotating categories or bonus multipliers. Annual fees. Don't let fees scare you. Some of the best value cards charge $95 to $290 per year, but the perks easily outweigh the cost. That said, there are also excellent no annual fee cards for leaner businesses. Additional features. These include expense tracking, employee cards, integrations with QuickBooks, fraud protection, and travel benefits. The top business credit cards for small businesses. Let's walk through the best cards on the market, categorized by use case. Best overall business credit card Chase, Inc. Business Preferred. Why it stands out. Huge intro bonus. 100,000 points after spending $8,000 in the first 3 months, worth $1,250 in travel via Chase Ultimate Rewards, issue X points on the first $150,000 in combined spending on travel, shipping, internet, cable, phone, and advertising purchases. Points are transferable to major airlines and hotels. Real-life example. A digital marketing consultant spending $4,000 a month on Facebook and Google ads would hit the bonus in 2 months and rack up points fast. That's essentially free flights every year. Best for flat rate cashback, Capital. 1. Spark Cash Plus. Why it stands out. Unlimited. 2% cashback on all purchases $1,200. Welcome bonus after $30,000 spend in the first 3 months. No preset spending limit. Flexibility for scaling. Note, this is a charge card, not a credit card. You must pay in full every month. Who it's for. Businesses with large, consistent monthly expenses who want simplicity and strong cash back. Best for no annual fee. American Express Blue Business Cash TM Card. Why it stands out. 2% cash back on up to $50,000 a year. Then 1% zero annual fee. Expanded buying power lets you go over your limit based on payment history. Great for startups, side hustlers, and small businesses with modest spend who want simplicity and rewards. Best for travel perks. American Express, sir. Business Platinum Card. Why it stands out. 120,000 points after spending $15,000 in 3 months. 5 FIWEX points on flights and prepaid hotels through Amex Travel Airport Lounge Access. Centurion Delta Priority Pass. $200 airline fee credit. $189 clear credit, and more cost. $695 annual fee, but worth it if you travel often. Who it's for. Consultants, freelancers, and business owners with frequent air travel. Best for flexible rewards. Chase Inc. Business. Unlimited. Why it stands out. 1.5% cash back on all purchases. $750 bonus after spending $6,000 in 3 months. No annual fee. Pairs well with Chase Inc. Business preferred for a 2-card strategy. Perfect for owners who want flat rewards without category tracking, and those who want to stack ultimate rewards points. Best business credit cards by business type. Let's now break it down by business type. For e-commerce owners, you likely spend on shipping, advertising, and software. Best picks. Chase Inc. Business Preferred. Amex Blue Business Plus for freelancers and creatives. Software, gear, and online services dominate your budget. Best picks. Chase Inc. Business Unlimited. Amex Blue Business Cash for consultants and coaches. Travel, hotels, flights, and meals are key expenses. Best picks. Amex Business Platinum. Chase Inc. Business preferred for construction or field services, fuel, tools, equipment, and supply purchases are common. Best picks. Capital One Spark, Cash Plus, Bank of America. Business Advantage, customized cash, advanced strategies to maximize rewards. Just having a card isn't enough. Here's how to make the most of it. Stacking with personal cards. If you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred personally and a Chase Inc. Business Preferred, you can pool your ultimate rewards points and redeem for 25 to 50% more value. Using multiple business cards, have one for ads and software, Chase Inc. Preferred, another for everything else, Inc. Unlimited. This combo can yield 3-5% in total rewards without annual overthinking. Redeeming for maximum value. Instead of just taking cash back, consider transferring points to travel partners. 100,000 points can mean a $1,150 statement credit, or a 2,000 plus business class flight if redeemed smartly. Common mistakes to avoid: applying too soon. Don't apply until you've formed an LLC or obtained an EIN. Some issuers let sole proprietors apply with just a social security number, but having a legal business setup is ideal. Over-leveraging business credit cards are a tool, not a crutch. Don't let outstanding balances drag down your finances. Interest rates can exceed 20% APR. Neglecting employee card controls. Many business cards let you issue employee cards with limits. Use these controls. You don't want surprise expenses from staff. Not tracking rewards. Letting rewards expire or not redeeming them properly is like leaving money on the table. Set quarterly calendar reminders to check your rewards balance. Business credit card myths. Busted. You need a full-blown business to get a card. False. Freelancers, gig workers, and side hustlers all qualify. If you sell on Etsy, DoorDash, or run a YouTube channel, you're eligible. They report to your personal credit. Not always. Most business cards don't report to personal credit unless you default. Points aren't worth the hassle. Incorrect. Many entrepreneurs fly business class or get thousands in cashback each year just by putting expenses on the right cards. Building business credit with your card. Use your business card to establish a healthy credit profile. Pay on time. Late payments on business cards can still show up on your personal credit in some cases, and always hurt your business credit score. Keep utilization low. Try to keep balances under 30% of your credit limit, even if you pay in full. This helps boost your Paydex score. Request higher limits. If your revenue increases, ask for a credit line increase. This reduces utilization and increases flexibility. Best practices for using your card: automate payments. Avoid late fees by setting up autopay for the full statement balance. Leverage card benefits. Use insurance protections, extended warranties, and purchase protections. Sync with software. Integrate with QuickBooks, Xero, or your accounting tool for clean expense tracking. Wrapping up a business credit card can either be a stepping stone to financial flexibility or a trap. The difference lies in how you use it. Imagine running your business with 2 to 3 months of travel paid for through points. Every software tool earning you 2%, back 750 plus. Welcome bonuses a few times a year. A credit line that grows as your revenue does. An easy tax season because all expenses are categorized. That's not a dream. It's a reality for smart entrepreneurs. At Smart Dollar Mindset, we believe in using every legal, strategic, and efficient tool available to grow your business, save money, and build wealth. These credit cards aren't about debt. They're about rewards, tracking, and elevating your business the smart way. Choose the one or the combination that fits your goals and spending profile. And always remember, credit works for you if you're in control of it. Be disciplined, stay focused, and let your spending build the business, not break it.